Well, good morning, everybody. Today's question is number 85, and it is, how do we orchestrate multiple AI tools end to end? All right, so my brain actually goes in two different directions with this. One is, are you buying an AI solution or are you building your AI solution? So we're going to try to address the question in those ways for everybody. So let's start with buying. If you're buying your AI solutions, then a couple things you just need to make sure you're asking during the due diligence process. You want to make sure you're digging into how this AI solution or how multiple AI solutions are integrating with your major systems like your LOS, your POS, your CRM, your data warehouse, and then how they're also maybe interacting with one another or other AI tools that you have already implemented. Now, on the building side of things, obviously there's a couple of kind of best practices to lean into. You want to make sure, obviously, that you can connect through API to the major platforms, like I mentioned earlier, your LOS, POS, CRM, data warehouse, of course. And you want to make sure that that integration is as seamless as possible. Now, the other thing I would suggest doing is to also look at an AI agent that can help you with your workflow. So that'll help you to be able to kind of waterfall the technologies if you need to, or design how they move from one system to another. So that would be really helpful. And then the last is making sure that you have that audit layer, that kind of control layer that helps you to know how the systems are talking to one another, and if there's any challenges in that you need to address. All right, hopefully this was valuable for everybody. If so, be right back here tomorrow. We're going to tackle question number 84.